My makeup is looking like cake. My makeup looks like a gaggle. Like, no, it's looking very crusty.
It's a draft. Yeah.
Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. DEBORAHEMEM here. If it's your first time on my channel, you're welcome. But if you're a returning subscriber, I love you. So today we're doing a makeup tutorial. This is my first makeup tutorial since 2020, I think. A lot of people don't know that I used to be a freelance makeup artist while I was in uni, and I did it to get like extra cash to like order stuff from wherever I want to order, but it slowly became like a profession to me and like a career path. I did it for a while until I had to go for NYC and then start working, so I just like calmed down with that. Since I'm no longer doing makeup, all my skills are literally disappearing, because if you're not practicing on people, so that's the thing with makeup as well, the more you practice, the more you learn. So I was just saying a couple of weeks back that I need to touch up and refresh my makeup skills, because my makeup is looking like cake. My makeup looks like a gaggle. Like, no, it's looking very crusty. So I was really happy when Online Makeup Academy reached out to me. I was like, are these people reading my mind, or are they watching me or something? So I was so happy. I literally jumped at the opportunity with both arms and legs. Thank you so much, Makeup Online Academy, for sponsoring today's video. In this video I'm going to show you how to get this beautiful clean girl makeup look. If you do not know Online Makeup Academy, they are a professional makeup school. So if you have been thinking or looking for where to enroll and start your makeup career or brush up your makeup skills, this is the course for you. This is it. Listen attentively. So they have various courses for whichever level you are in. If you're an entry-level makeup artist, or you're a novice, or you're a professional makeup artist, you want to brush up your skills, they have courses for everything you can possibly need. Also have hairstylist classes. So if you're a hairdresser or a hairstylist, you can also register for this course. The course I'm currently taking is the Master Makeup Artist Program. Yeah, that's the one I'm taking. You can be in class on your phone, you can be in class on your laptop, on like literally you can be in class anywhere. If you're wondering how to enroll, I'll be putting all the links in the description box. I'm currently at 30% of completion, and listen, the price is definitely worth it, because you learn things you never thought you would learn. They teach you all about skin tones, ethnicities, eye shapes, nose shapes, face shapes, undertones, color correction, hygiene. You guys know that COVID is still there. COVID is alive and well. So you know how as a makeup artist you're always in people's face. You're so close to them. It is a very personal job. You're always in people's personal spaces. So you also want to make sure that you know how to take precautions on how to be the safest and the most efficient makeup artist. And also they teach you makeup artist etiquette. So your hair is not supposed to be on your face like this. Your hair should always be out of your face. So another amazing thing about this course is that you have access to the course for a lifetime. You have access to instructors for a lifetime. You have like that personal relationship with your instructor, so you can always reach out to them and tell them whatever issues you have, or if you need to improve on this or that. Another thing that I loved so much about was the fact that you are assigned an instructor and they make a video for you. Like when they sent me that video, I was like, okay, let me see what they're saying. The lady literally called my name. I was like, OMG, this lady just recorded this all the way from New York. Oh my goodness. So you know that it is legit. Like this person really knows you, and this person really sees you as a student. It's not just some pre-recorded class that you're just going to go and then learn and nobody's going to be able to teach you, or you're not going to be able to interact. You also get homework, so you need to take it serious, because it's not a joke. So if you want to know all about Online Makeup Academy, click the link in the description box. I've learned so much. I'm so grateful for the opportunity. If you do take this course, let them know that DEBORAHEMEM sent you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share and comment, and then let's get on to this video. Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. So without further ado, let us get into this tutorial. I'm so excited today because I'm filming on my new Sony ZV-1, so I'm trying to test it and see if it can really do magic. The first thing I'm going to be using is a product I've never used before. I'm using the Omari Code Exbrega Moisture Maximizer. I just recently got this. I hope you guys saw that. No, yeah. I just recently got this product, so I want to try it out and see. Ooh. So it's like a moisturizer and primer all in one. Oh, it feels really nice. So I'm applying it on my face. I've already done my skincare, so yeah. So for foundation, I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty foundation, and I'm in the color Cinnamon 440G. So besties, I've been seeing this makeup look, the clean girl makeup look, and I currently went to reapply for my passport, and this is the look I did. The guy that took my picture, that captured the passport picture, was just telling me how good I looked. It was kind of weird, but I was like, okay. So one of the things I also learned from Online Makeup Academy is like skin tone matching. Like, it's something I never knew about. Even while I did makeup on people, I really didn't know too much about it, but now I know so much about undertones, about shading, highlights, color correcting the right way. Just a lot of amazing stuff I have learned over the weeks I have partook in this course. For me, the best part of makeup is always complexion. I just feel like if you can get complexion right, you can, for all I care, draw cartoon on your eyelids, you will still look good. So I really focused on that lesson, and it just felt so good learning all over again. Just refreshed my memory and took me back to the days when I used to really beat a face, but now it's like. And for concealer, I'm going to be using two concealers, one from Huda Beauty in the color Nougat, and another one from Fenty Beauty in the color 345. So I applied the 345 first. So for me, this whole clean girl makeup thing is just basically having flawless skin that looks like that's how you were created. That's my own spin on the whole clean girl makeup trend that's going crazy on TikTok. That's what I think just explains it the best. So I'm gonna try my best to make sure my So for contour, I use the Black Opal Cream Foundation Stick in the color Carob. So yeah. So the makeup trend that's really hot right now is trying to make your face look so snatched and lifted. So you want to put all your contours, your concealers, your blush, all at the outer part of your face. You know, before we used to bring it down here, but I learned that if you want to lift your face and have that snatch Kim K look, you have to put the contour a little bit higher on your cheeks. So I also learned so much about like eye shapes, lip shapes. So apparently the ideal or preferred eye shape is an almond eye shape. So whatever eye shape is placed in front of you as a makeup artist, you're supposed to try your best to mimic the almond eye. And I also found out that you can have two different eye shapes. Yes, one person can have two different eye shapes. You can have like a round eye, and then you can have like a lazy eye. So you have to do your best to make both of them identical as possible, and also make them look close to an almond eye shape, because it's just the most flattering. Now that I'm contouring, I'm just remembering like all the lessons they taught on complexion contouring. So the ideal face shape is an oval face shape. So whatever you're doing, if it's contouring or highlighting, you're supposed to try to make an oval face shape, because it's just the most flattering face shape, I guess. But as you can see, I do not have an oval face. I have a nice round chubby face. So I do a lot of contouring just to give myself that illusion of being snatched. Now that I've done that, I'm going to use my Huda Beauty concealer just to brighten. And they also teach you how to color match people of different ethnicities. It's not just like white people, it's not like only black people. So whatever the case is, while you are out on set or you're on a job, you'll be able to, you know. So you really need to take this course. If I've not done anything for you, you need to take this course, because listen, my makeup. So next I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Baby Bake Powder in the color Banana Bread. I just love how it opens up. Look how cool this is. And the powder comes out from here. So the next product I'm using is my Fenty Beauty bronzer in the color Bayesian Gal. You're not taking it down anywhere, you're like taking it just on the cheekbones. Something I also love about taking the online makeup academy class, it's absolutely accessible from any country. Not just that, like you can be at the bank, you can be in the car, you can be traveling. Like when I was at the airport, I was literally just studying and I was in class. So that's the most amazing thing, that you can learn anywhere from the comfort of your home or wherever. Currently at 30% completion. I can't wait to finish and get my certificate, because when you finish the course, you get a certificate, you get a makeup kit, and guess what? You also get like 40% discount on select beauty products. So after I finish contouring my face, this is what my face is giving. So next I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I'm using the Beauty Line by Didi. My eyebrows, I just love my eyebrows to look as natural as possible. So you're gonna see me do it. I want to come closer. Now I've done my brows off camera, because brows are just personal. So I'm gonna go in with the same Beauty Line by Didi Secure the Brow Gel, just to set my brows. So next I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. My eyeshadow is very simple. I'm using one palette, and I got this palette from MAC like 3 years ago. So I'm just taking this color. I think this is called Brown Down. I'm not sure. I'll put it in the description box. Putting this all over my eyelids and then pulling it back this way, so it has that snatched look as well. Do you guys notice when you watch red carpet events and you see the celebrities, they don't have like the typical Instagram makeup look. They look like themselves, but just enhanced. So just like imagine someone like Rihanna, you can see like her imperfections, you can see like her freckles. This other brown shade, just for some more depth. Of course, you're going to be taught by professionals. I mean, people who have been doing makeup professionally for years. So if you've been wondering how to get that celebrity look, so we're gonna do mascara, and I'm going to be using the Hega and Esther one. You guys see? Yeah, Hega and Esther one. I just love the packaging, it's so sleek. So I'm going to be applying my blush, and I'm using an eyeshadow from Juvia's Place. This is the Magic Mini by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to be using this color, this beautiful pinky red color, because I love my cheeks to look pink and juicy. So you're supposed to apply the blush at the highest point of your cheeks. I'm using my glow kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. As you can see, it's really busted. I need to get a new highlighter, so I'm going to be using this color here, and it's called Hot Sand. So I'm putting a little bit on my nose too. Let's see. So I'm using the Omari Code Skin Mist. This is a new product. I haven't used it before. This is my first time using it. Okay, besties, so I've done everything. My skin is looking so good. My baby hairs are snatched. So I'm just gonna put back all my moles, because my moles are my identity. I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in the color Peachy, and I'm also going to use my Fenty Beauty gloss in the shade Fussy. So besties, this is the look. I need to zoom you guys in so you can see how good my skin looks.